Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Hearty Home Heritage. I'm making granola today and I wanted to show you how I do it. It's whole rolled oats. You can add whatever you want. All kinds of dried fruit, all kinds of nuts, all kinds of seeds, chocolate chips or M&Ms or whatever you want, and they make really good snacks and fairly cheap to make. It makes a ton and it's pretty easy and pretty healthy. So my granola just came out of the oven and it's still really soft and kind of sticky. Mound it up into a big hill in the center of your pan while it's cooling down, and that will save you a lot of headache later. So we're just going to mound this up and let it cool down completely. Mound it up like that. So now I have my bananas and my fruit and my yogurt. And the last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some of my trail mix. Ooh, look at that. That looks amazing. Try making your own trail mix. Try using up your food. You'll be surprised what you can do with the food that you have. If you try this recipe and you like it, please let me know. Like this video, comment. We'll see you next time. Told me that these vanilla lids are the same as a teaspoon, and that they made them that way on purpose so that you didn't have to get out your measuring spoon. Are you up for a little experiment? But let's just see if she's right. So there's a cap full. Look at that. Okay, so proven. 1 cap full is the same as 1 teaspoon. So if you have a teaspoon of vanilla, if your recipe calls for a teaspoon of vanilla, you just use your lid. Yep. You just use your lid. And then I'll show you what to do next. Push the button again.